So Dad's got some little bit of work here to do on the Minnesota narrow gauge here. He's got all his parts, but had another customer pop in, so he's just taking a day or two to help him out. And it's more on rewiring on their lights and whatnot. So he's making them. He's doing the supervising, and then they're doing the work.
Well, we're gonna need two of them.
Okay, what's going on here with these airboats that you're taking a couple days off to do this?
Rewiring the whole damn thing so the lights work.
Okay. And so what's going on with this here one here?
This one here, this is done except for a starter.
Okay.
And oil in the hub that we don't know what kind.
Okay.
Like in the hub for the prop.
Okay.
Wiring is all done.
Okay. So you got anything progressed on the narrow gauge here?
Nothing.
Nothing on the narrow gauge. Well, Dad can't work on this every day, but he tries to. So just a brief update here, guys. I know Dad was working on the new mount here for the alternator, and it looks like right there. But he does have the parts for the drive shaft. But he had to clear out these customers here to get them out of the yard so he can focus back in. But he thinks he just needs a break from the bombardiering. It's giving him a headache right now. And so he's just helping out these customers with their airboats. So not much of an update, guys, but there it is.
Was this thing serviced, this quad?
I think there was.
Where?
Where?
Okay.
Go $2,000.
So here's another Trackmobile here, Pioneer Honda.
Well, this one had no plug. And the other one's cross-threaded. We cleaned the crack out from under there.
This looks like a brush cutter.
Get some new plug.
Was there oil in it or anything?
There was oil in it. So, and this was broke off from rubbing on the track or something. So we drilled it and put a new grease nipple in, and as you can see, it's greased.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And oil is changed, it's all cleaned out, the air filter in here is all cleaned out.
So Dad's worked on these in the past, not too many times, but not too much different than anything else that he's worked on.
This didn't come from the factory where the boat ran. There's supposed to be a dipstick in there.
You think?
So order one.
So yeah, it's a boat drain for the.
Well, we don't know how much it holds, so
Yeah.
checked it out. Holds
Okay, great. Any other surprises that you found here?
And then on the front, like we cleaned in under here too, right? I put real clamps on so you can take them off if you want to.
Oh.
And we had to cut off about 6 feet of cable, eh?
That's all right.
And I don't know what kind of hook you got, but you can take this hook off if you want to use the eye.
Awesome.
But I'm going to recommend you guys, if you're handling this cable, wear gloves,
Yeah.
or else we'll get a new cable down the line.
Okay. See how there's no safety thing? There's one there, but not there.
We'll make a list. Make a list of that shit that you need, eh? And then the motor.
So this little Honda Pioneer track Dad's working on, 2 airboats. It's only taken a couple days just to get outside and do something different, but he's waiting on parts and whatnot. He wants to clear off these guys so that they can get ready to work, and then he's going to get back onto the narrow gauge Bombardier.
This one's ready, except for
No oil in the front.
no, this one.
Yeah, the oil in the front. I looked that up. It's 250 weight. Zero oil. That was
No, it's the other one.
Anyways, Dad was just yelling at Frenchie here, and he's top form. He's doing some heavy supervision, and we're just experiencing some wildfire season here in the north. Cranberry Portage got evacuated. From what I understand, Flin Flon got evacuated. There was heavy fires over the weekend. So everybody in the north is thinking about possible evacuation. It's at the north end of Clearwater Lake right now, and so
You want me to go pay off that bill yet?
anybody that's watching this should think about a 72-hour go bag, and also making sure your tank is filled. Make sure you have all your ID, your important papers, whatever it is for the north you need. It can happen. Fires all across Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, and it's not even the midway of May. I think it's the 14th today, Tuesday. Anyway, so Dad's in his element here, and we're going to let him get back to it.